Hello, my name is Professor TK the Chemist, and I am an award-winning two-time college chemistry professor. So here's something I wanted to kind of give you guys at the start of this semester. It is the fall of 2023, and I know that many students are excited about the start of the semester. However, you're thinking that you're not prepared for your chemistry class. Now, let me let you guys in on a couple little tips and tricks that'll help you get on the right path of success, or to success, that is, okay? Number one, you want to go into your chemistry class with an open mind. Now, while we know that chemistry is one of those challenging courses, we can keep in mind that chemistry doesn't have to be that difficult if you take notes, listen to some of the things that your teachers are saying or your professors are saying. Make sure that you are mindful of those due dates, and to know that you can always raise your hand and ask questions. A lot of times students feel embarrassed about asking questions and they don't know how to ask, but I say closed mouths don't get fed, okay? So if you want to get help, you've got to ask for help. Never be ashamed to say, I don't know. Can you run that back one more time, okay? Number two, go by your professor's office during office hours. I know so many students choose not to go by their professor's offices because they are intimidated or don't know what to ask. But one of the things that I always tell students is, once you look at the syllabus and you see when homework is due, you see when your next test is coming up, all of those things, go to your professor when you are having trouble at the onset. Now, for many of you all around the country, this is maybe week 1 or week 2 of the semester for you. Whatever week it is, it's never too late to go by your professor's office and ask them questions about the upcoming homework assignment. But remember, you want to start on your homework assignment, and if you get stuck in a rut, you can ask them specific questions. You don't want to waste their time nor your time, okay? Number 3. You always want to stay ahead, meaning don't wait until the last minute to do homework. It is Sunday, August the 27th, and many of you guys may be doing homework at the last minute. Never wait until then to determine that you are stuck, because that's where frustration gets into place. Many of you all may say, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Forget it. I'm not going to do this homework. And you know what happens? You give up on that homework assignment, you get a bad grade on that homework assignment, and then you try to figure out, well, how can I undo this? And then let alone, you have other courses that you are preparing for. So then we start this cycle of losing attention, okay? So you always want to make sure that you go back and start on your homework as soon as it's given. And if you're able to go in and out of the homework assignment, do so before the due date, because you never know what may happen when it comes time to submit the final product. Case in point, we are experiencing a lot of thunderstorms near my area. And so many times your Wi-Fi may play games and tricks on you. And guess what happens? You try to do your homework, you're at the computer trying to work on your assignments, and then kaboom, the Wi-Fi goes out, and now you've lost your work. And now your teachers are saying, well, hey, you've had all week to get it done. So never wait until the last minute. Those are just my top 3. I'm going to come back and give you some more tips and tricks to help you guys get on the right track in your chemistry class. Now, one thing I want to also give you too, after Labor Day, I'm going to start giving weekly tutoring sessions. So get your questions ready. Whatever you're going through this week, make sure that you drop them below in the comments so I'll know what videos I need to make. What do you want to learn? Keep me posted. Have a good one.